G'day everyone, it's Shaun and Muz from Crockers, and the purpose of the video just this morning is to make people aware on jobs that they may have around the home, and really to make people aware that our painters and tradies out there are still open for business, and they have gone a bit quiet because a lot of people think that they're not operating because of the virus. So really, it's the time to have a little look around if you don't want to tackle the job yourself, and give us a call here at the shop. Muz, yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks for all the support you've given us, and it's been great. Everyone's been coming in and buying their paint and doing their jobs. Maybe it's a bit overwhelming for you and you need someone to help you. We've got some excellent tradesmen with us that could quite easily do the work. They do the right thing with the virus conditions, and their family members, they've got families too, and I think we should try and support them as well.
Yeah, so if you have a job to do, give us a call at the shop on 9525 7489, and we'll put you in contact with one of our excellent tradies and keep them going through winter. So now's the time to get in and get it done while things are a little bit quieter with the trade. So we'll see you in store, guys. See ya. Bye.
Thanks.